So before you build your website, you have to first install WordPress on your hosting server. So in this tutorial, I'm going to go over the steps on how to install WordPress using the control panel, the cPanel. Okay, so once your account has been set up, your domain has been set up on your hosting server, then you can actually go into the hosting server panel and install WordPress on your domain. So when you first when you first log in, you'll see a list of accounts. If there's multiple accounts on the hosting server, but you'll see your account. And what you do, you can click on Control Panel. Okay, so once you're in your cPanel, you'll see a list of tools. You can scroll down. You can install WordPress using this script, WordPress, or you can use Software WordPress Manager by Softaculous. So we're just going to go ahead, or you can do Softaculous Apps Installer. So we're just going to go ahead and click here, WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Okay, so here you can see the installation URL. This is where it's going to be installed. And here we give it a name. Site name, and it's going to copy the site description. Language is English. Advanced options, we don't have to change anything here, but it's going to show you the database name that the installation is going to be installed. And here is where you put your username and password. Okay, this is where you're going to give it a username and password. And then we're going to select the first three plugins for backups, page speed, and to limit login attempts. And we're just going to install. Okay. And here we go. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. And here it lists your URL, website address, and then your administrative URL, which is your WordPress dashboard. And when you make changes and updates to your WordPress website, you're going to go directly through here. You click on that URL, and it's going to ask you for the username and password that you created when you did the installation.